It's a tiring day, isn't it? I hate to take the train, but my old car is broken again, so I cannot use it. A week waiting for a train like this is so suck.
20, 20, 20.
What a word, man. What's it counting for? Never mind. Here comes my train. What's happening? The subway is closed. Hey, what's going on here?
Someone just died. She fell to the train and hit by the train.
What a poor woman.
I'm in a hurry, so bye.
I think this is the worst day of my life. I'll use taxi. Thanks God, it's open already. I spent a lot of money using taxi last night. There's that word man again. He's still sitting in the
21.
same place and seems like he's still counting.
21, 21.
21? Is it today's date? I cannot think about that now. I'm tired. Something's wrong. I can feel it. Why is it so quiet today? So does that word guy. Today he is not counting. Here he comes.
Can you please help me get it?
Why cannot you take it by yourself? I'm tired.
My leg is still in the healing period. I can't jump down.
I'll do it. Just this once. Here you go.
Thanks.
Now help me get back up.
No. You shouldn't have helped me.
Is that what you do to pay people's help? What's that word smile? Come on, help me. What are you doing? My leg! You broke my leg! You bastard! Come on, you should help me now. Please, help me. No!